If your Windows 11 feels like a little bit slower or too many trash in it, these steps will make it feels better. Stop treating your Windows 11 like a bloated garbage truck. Here is how the pros clean it. First, search for Terminal and run it as administrator. Then paste this link and press enter. I had pasted in the description. Make sure to check it out. Then you guys must wait for the process until this program show up. Follow my steps. Go for tweaks and select standard. Make sure the settings that it automatically tick has the same as me. Then click on run tweaks. So as you can see, it was running in background in terminal. Just wait for it. After that, click on OK, and you can close this programs. Next, go to Settings, and search for Startup Apps. Here you guys can search for the unnecessary apps and turn it off to make the PC lighter and faster. Next, go to Privacy and Security. Search for General and turn off all of these settings. These are just the unnecessary settings that Windows turn it on by default to collect our data for them to make personalized ads for us. Next step, still in Settings, search for Transparency Effects and turn it off. Yeah, your GPU will thank you later. Next, go to Taskbar, right-click and go to Taskbar Settings. Turn off the widget if you had turned it on before. Make sure to turn it off because, why not? Who uses this thing? Plus it will make our taskbar looks cleaner by turn it off. Next tips is, go to System and navigate to Storage. Make sure you turn on the storage sense. It will automatically free up space, delete temporary files, and it's like a digital janitor that cleans your temp files automatically. Next tips, open Terminal again. And type this command and hit enter. Just type Y for yes, and it will shows everything in your PC, including the hidden program that it might not show to you in settings. And then you just search for the program that you think might not necessary in your PC, and you can uninstall it by this command and enter that program name at the end of the command. For example, I want to uninstall Xbox, just like this. Last tips. Press Windows logo and R together until this program pop up. Type temp and hit enter. Delete all of the files that are available here. Don't worry, these are just the temporary and cache files of this PC. After that, run this program again and type this command. Enter the same steps again. Just select all of the files and delete all of it. Next, open this program again and type this command, select all, and the same step. Just delete all of this trash. That's all of the tips to make sure your PC even better and lighter than before. Make sure to restart the PC after this to make it refresh the system and remove completely all of the deleted files. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more info and tips.